Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. I want to make a quick video showing you another 3D print design. Actually, two things. This is for Hart 20V tools. I made a tool holder and a battery holder. I figure I might as well do one of these holders for every line of tools that I own, since I already own them, and make a video to show you guys. So if anyone wants, if you are also in the Hart lineup, we've been doing some Hart videos lately, so it is possible that you are in Hart's lineup. Anyway, they are free on Thingiverse. I have them both uploaded and it will be linked down below. But it's just a little slip-on. You have two holes for mounting. I know the rotary tool may not be the best example, but that's what I have here. So the battery obviously goes there. Perfect. Now the battery, a little different because I already got it mounted up here, but and it's got a clip that'll actually hold it in place. So you can see we got a screw in it there. It's got the little ridge that the thing grabs onto, slides through there. Perfect, lovely, beautiful. We love it. So there it is, guys. Battery and tool holder. Link down below if you want to 3D print it yourself. I do have Bauer and Hercules and Milwaukee and Skill, Makita, Bosch. That might be all of them that I have. Anyways, we already did the DeWalt ones, so that'll be coming out too at some point. Probably mixing other things because it's a little monotonous making the same variation of the same thing all the time, but you get it. Thanks for watching, guys. Give the video a like, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I'll see you next time.